get me in trouble. Oh well, let's make some bread. Here we go. So it's 360 grams of flour, and we're gonna tar this. So tar. There you go. There you go. 360 grams of flour. I'm using this one. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of flour. Now we're gonna put two and a quarter of salt. Guys, I'm gonna get in trouble, so much in trouble for this video. But anyway, all for you, all for my darlings from Amantes y Diamantinas. So we got two. I mean, that's one. That's 1 1/4. Okay. Ay, sí, para todo. Hola, okay, so that's, there you go. 1 1/4 of salt and 2 of yeast. So we said 2 tablespoons of instant yeast. There we go. Here we have this one. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. That's 1. And that's 2. Perfect. Now we're gonna add 300 milliliters of warm water. There we go. And because I want this bread to have some, like the smell in the essence, the taste of rosemary, we're gonna add some fresh chopped rosemary from our garden. This. Right, so we got the rosemary. Now we have to put 1 1/2 of rosemary. I have to say, this is the first time I bake something. I've never baked anything. I've tried to do it, but it's so hard because everything has to be so exact. So I've learned that you have to measure stuff. That's why I'm using these things. Right, let's carry on. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is going to help the yeast. So now the only thing we have to do is mix everything. Get your hands dirty. Oh my. Is this supposed to happen? I don't think so. Well, after an hour and a half, now this has been resting. And look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's amazing. Anyway, so we're going to preheat our oven at 232. It should be around there. That says 232. Now, we're going to cook it in this Dutch oven that I got from Novaris, that my husband got me. So we're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to go for the second rise, which is, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to shape it. I'm going to put it on paper, on this kind of, for baking, paper for baking. We're going to leave it rest for another 30 minutes after shaping it. and we're gonna put it inside of this. Okay, so this is gonna be really hot inside there, baking, while this rises another 30 minutes, and then we're gonna put this inside this one to keep cooking for another 25 minutes. Whoa, look at that. Amazing. Ready. I'm gonna put this. Oh, first, I'm gonna give you a tip. If you sprinkle some water and then cover it, it would get crispier. 25 minutes in the oven. Now we're gonna take it out. Careful. Take it out. Uncover it. Ooh la. Ooh. And we're gonna put it back for another 10-15 minutes to make gold, like the crusty golden part that we all love. It goes there for another 10-15 minutes. Then we'll come back, take it out, and leave it rest for another 20 or 30 minutes on a tray, which a rack for cooling down. Okie dokie, it's time to take it out. Look at this, it looks so beautiful. You hear that? Look at this. Wow, look at that. Anyway, we're gonna check it out. So we need to let it rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Cools down. It keeps cooking inside. It's going to be fantastic with some. I made some chimichurri, and we have very nice olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Oh, it's amazing. And the moment of truth is here. Okay, here we go. Listen, 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 listen. Oh, Let's see what happens. It's so exciting. Ooh. Oh, so nice. Nice, moist. Mmm. So nice. You know, it has rosemary. It smells of rosemary. It tastes of rosemary. Not overpowering. So good. Wow. Do you know what I have to say? For the first, because it was the first time I've ever baked bread. I think it's very, very, very good. It's seasoned perfectly. The amount of salt, like, it's not salty. The rosemary is just perfect. I think it's very good actually. Let's try this with this olive oil that Pink's got me. Look at this. Okay, let's try this one. Look at that. Let's just smell this. Delicious. Anyway, love you, my darling. Enjoy. Bye. I have to confess that I can't stop eating this. It's so good. Very, very, very good. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you, my darling. Bye-bye.